In this section, we'll be finding out an author for a post using probabilistic logistic regression. We'll be looking at the Spark machine learning library. We'll be performing some kind of feature extraction from text and classification of it. At the end, we will apply logistic regression to find out and solve our problem. And in this video, we will be looking at the problem of analyzing posts for an author. So we'll be creating a project using Spark machine learning library. We will see what we want to achieve. We'll be analyzing input data, preparing input data to make it ready for input to machine learning model, and also we'll be performing tokenization and removing stop words. So let's ask a question, what do you want to achieve? So let's say we are given a forum with number of posts. Every post contains some kind of text and author of the post. We want to analyze every post in our algorithm, and then when new author wrote a post and we don't have any information who wrote that post, we should be able to answer a question who wrote that post. With some probability, of course. And this is our input data structure. So we have message ID, subject, author, timestamp and body. Author is very important thing. We'll be building our model based on that field. Also, body of our post is important because we'll be analyzing that body using logistic regression algorithm. So that body will give us information of a style of writing of the specific author. So we have our MySQL loader class and load method. This is an entry point to our program. We are loading data from MySQL database. We saw the structure of the post, but we need to load it from MySQL using localhost because it's loaded on our local machine. Database is bmessages. Once we load our data from MySQL, we need to tokenize it and remove stop words. At this time, we will be performing our analysis, but we will be doing it in the next videos.